Hello everyone, today I will show you how to black out a page in a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Open your PDF file and I will black out this page number 4, this one. Click on this tools option and scroll down. Here you will find this redact option. Click here. Now click on this reduction arrow and first select properties option. Now click on this appearance option and select this color. Select black color and select OK. Again go here, click here and select react pages and select here page number 4, or also you can select a specific page range or all pages, current page number 4. Select OK and see this preview and finally select apply. Now select OK and save as a PDF file in destination folder. Save and see this page is now black out. In this way you can black out specific pages, all pages. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.